A guava. This guava has not even taken a year to begin fruiting. Look, come and see. Look, it has begun fruiting. See. But if you want this guava to give you a lot of fruits, you have to cut off this. You have to cut off the tongue of the coming branch, and if you remove this tongue, for it will directly give another branch from the stem. So to protect it from growing wild, and if you want it to stay on this level, just trim it off. Just trim the guava off this tongue. We call this the tongue of the guava, of the stems of the guava. So if you cut off, it will fruit as fast as possible, and it will give you more branches. The more the branches of the guava, the more the fruiting of the guava. Understood that? The more the the branches, the more the fruiting. You see, this guava has taken only 6 months. Only 6 months. And it has begun fruiting. See how healthy it is. And I always teach you to make a basin around your trees. Either coffee or guava. Look and see. Yeah, it has done it well. Remove this. Also this. For it to bring other branches. This is the trimming I've told. If you don't have trimmer like this one, and you don't have the capacity to get, but if you're cutting and it has begun fruiting, don't cut to here. You cut as far as possible from our fruits so that you don't damage the fruits. You get it? I don't want this guava to go wild. No. We have to cut off, and it will give us other branches. So that's our guava. We've trimmed it off, and it will bring other branches. Trim your guavas so that they don't grow wild like this. So I don't want this guava to grow wild, so I'm going to trim. I want to thank you all, those who are watching my videos. Thank you so much. And we are doing the trimming or the pruning of guavas. So I've shown you how you can prune your guava in the first place. So I want us to trim off this guava. We don't want it to go up. You see where I stop? You see where I can reach? So it's where I want my guava to stop. I don't want it to grow wild. Okay, let us do it together. You see, if you do the pruning or the trimming of the branches for this guava, it will not grow wild. It will just penetrate through other buds. It will penetrate through other directions and it will bring other branches. And for guavas, the more the branches, the more the fruiting. Make sure that your guava gets a lot of branches. There you will get more and more fruit in harvesting. So if you want to harvest more yields from the guava, please trim your plant, prune your plant, and it will give you other branches. If it gives you other branches, you trim them off. They will bring other branches, and the fruiting will be much. And these guavas tend to have a slogan that when they begin fruiting, they take long to when they don't fruit. If they fruit, they will fruit and fruit and fruit. In a season of them or in a year, you just take 1 month to 2 months when they are not fruiting. But when they begin fruiting, they take a year fruiting throughout. And you have to look after it very, very well. You have to give it fertilizers, you have to give it water, and to prune always. I keep always telling you that. Prune, prune, prune. In guavas and also in coffee. So you see, for these old guavas, I've taken long to prune them, but they still do bear fruit, and they have grown at a height I don't reach there. It's a very, very long
Also in
height.
guavas, there are two
But
types. So
as today we came to prune
that
together,
you can
let us
trim the
prune
guava.
and see
Also, you
whether you
can
can
bend the
manage.
branches. You can do one of the both. That you trim off. Either you trim or either you bring down the branches. Both methods work. Both methods bring new branches. So you can deduct the height of the guava while bending the branches or trimming of the branches. All that work and all that works really amazingly. Try one of the two methods and you will let me know.
I'm removing off these ones which are going up. And here I'll not. If you leave this tree to grow wild, you won't reach there, and the fruit will go up. Will not grow at the
And as you see,
edge.
some of the branches are just bent. And you're seeing me, I'm not trimming them off. I'm just trimming the new coming branches which are going up. For me, I use both methods. I use the bending method and I use the trimming off method. They both work for me.
I think I've done something little and it will be of help. As you see. So my dear ones, we have to pass through our gardens. We have to look after them. You see, it's fruiting. And these guavas, as you see them, they don't get off. They sometimes get off 1 to 2 months in a year. When they begin fruiting, you're harvesting while others are coming. You're harvesting while others are coming. So you see, on a guava tree, we have the ready guavas, the ready to come guavas, and the little ones. You see? These little ones. You see? So, this type of guava or the guava apple tree is the type of plant which will give you throughout the year if you really do care about it. Throughout the year, it will give you. And the garden for guavas, what I want to tell you is it's a multi-purpose garden. You put guava and you put banana too. It will keep on
Thank you
helping
for
you.
watching my
You
video.
see?
Hope you found them helpful
Kira, look
and
at
you've learned
that.
something from this video. Thank you so much. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more videos like this one.